Ever finished a meeting and thought, why did I sound so unsure? You knew what you wanted to say, but somehow your English made you sound less confident than you felt. You're not alone. Today I'll show you 3 common communication mistakes that make even smart, capable people seem more uncertain. Hi, I'm Karin, a communication strategist from Sweden. I help non-native English speakers to sound more calm, clear and confident without trying to sound perfect. Let's look at the small habits that secretly hurt your credibility and what to do instead. Sorry, my English isn't perfect. I hope this makes sense. I'm not sure if I explained this right. You think you're being polite, but what your listener hears is, don't trust what I'm about to say. Replace the apology with appreciation. Instead of, I'm sorry for my English, say, thanks for your patience while I explain this. It sounds respectful and confident, and you stay in control of the conversation. We sent the report yesterday. Sounds unsure, doesn't it? Now try the same sentence, but in a steady tone. We sent the report yesterday. Suddenly sounds confident and clear. Many people who speak English as a second language use question intonation when they get nervous. It makes them go up at the end of the sentence. End your statements with a downward tone, like you're putting a period, not a question mark. When you rush your words, you signal that you want to get it over with, and that you're afraid that you might make a mistake. But calm, confident speakers take their time. Try this. After each key idea, take a short pause. That short pause lets your message land, and it gives your listeners the time to follow. And remember, the fastest way to sound confident is to slow down. So, the next time you're in a meeting or giving an update, remember, don't apologize for your English. End your sentences with certainty. Slow down and let your ideas breathe. Which one of these mistakes do you catch yourself doing the most often? Let me know in the comments and we'll fix it together. If this was helpful, subscribe for more tips on calm, confident communication the Swedish way.